cannot touch her food. Yeah. She have a lot of food, see? You cannot give for some gummy bear. It's not for cat
I want
food.
treats.
Huh?
I want to give her some treats.
Drinks? No, don't tricks her. She will be angry.